Today I have for you nebulizer replacement accessories. If you have a nebulizer, you may need to replace your equipment or pieces of that equipment, the accessories. So this kit is so great because it provides many of the pieces that you might need to replace. So let me go through and just show you everything that comes in the box. So first we're going to start off. You get 4 of these masks. Get all of them out for you here. So you get 4 of these replacement masks. Okay. So that a nice supply of those. You get 2 of the medication canisters. You also get a mouthpiece, and you get 2 pieces of tubing that are over 6 feet long. So all the accessories that you need to replace on your kit are all included in this box. So really a great value for everything that you do get. Does come with a little simple instruction card with just kind of what's included in the box, but overall has everything you need to replace your accessories for your nebulizer. So really great kit. I highly recommend it.